So we're over here at Sun Harbor checking out an adorable studio.
Absolutely. And I love we've got a brand new marina. The restaurant's almost done. There's so much life here and I'm so excited. Let's go show them.
Let's go.
I love all this open space. There's plenty of room for everything. But the big view is all about staring at the marina.
And your view isn't lost from the kitchen that has been renovated.
Okay, and here's another fun feature.
This Murphy bed helps transform the living space.
And without losing the best views. So for more information, look in the description I've got below for more details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.